Hello smart people, Mistakes here. This is part 2 of the transformation project video. Um, Today we're going to focus on the translation, but I also want to show you how to label it. Label the object, the translation. Before we go there, I need you to know this. When you design a really big project, you have a lot of points. Okay, so when we do this, the computer have to remember it until you hit save. So if you have so many points, the computer starts to show glitch, or the software is glitching. So my recommendation for you is save the project every 10, 15, or 20 minutes. Don't wait until the last minute of the period and hit save, because you may be clicked somewhere in the middle and all your work is gone. Okay, so now I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, first we need to know our name, so click on more. Okay, and then find the one that has label text right here, more, and go down. Okay, one more time in basic tool, click more and go down until you see text. Click on that, type in your name and period. Okay, so see, so here click on the move, go back, click on move. Here's my name. Okay, did I click on move? No, it didn't click, it didn't register. Cancel, move, yes, should work now. Okay, make your name extra large, not extra small, extra large. Okay, it looks good to me. Okay, and then change the color that you want. Nope, I accidentally clicked it wrong. Go back, move. Okay, here we go. Letter orange. Okay, all right. Now you're gonna do another one to label. This is pre-image. I can see the problem when I zoom. Your name also doesn't follow the same size. So let's see if we can fix this problem. This maybe, okay, it's too big for me. Fairly large. Yeah. Sorry, I like the other one more. Extra large. It's your call. Try to make it look nice. It's fit within your project. There's huge difference between very large and large. Okay, let's see if we can fix this. Pin to screen, I like that. And then fix object so it's not gonna move. Okay, then that's not what I want. Go back. Maybe unselect pin to screen. Okay, it's good now. I still have the problem that the letter gonna zoom as I zoom the picture. Well, we're gonna figure that out later on. Okay, so now this one is called pre-image. So create another text box, put in pre-image. Pre-image. Okay, make this bigger by click on the move. If you want to select it, you have to click on move and select the pre-image, and then change the size. Bold, and I want the color in green. Maybe not bold, no, bold, large, yeah. Okay, pre-image, here we go. All right, so that is that. The next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna translate the figure. Let me see, what do I want to do? Zoom out. Okay, so here my original image. Okay, make sure point A go to 0, 0, and point B go to 25. So when we do the translation, you're gonna move the figure completely, go to a different quadrant. Okay, how do we know what to do? So keep track of one point. I would say that I'm gonna keep track of point A. Is at 0, 0. It's easy for me to keep track. So if I move point A, this is 25. Point B is 25. That you know how that's the farthest of the figure are going to be. So you ship the whole thing 25 units to the other side. Then your point B will touch 0 and point A will touch 25. Can you ship it 25 units? Point A from 0, 0 to negative 25. Okay, so if you do that, yeah, you get a picture, but it doesn't look cool because you just basically slide it over. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to add a couple more. Okay, I'm going to slide it over one more. Let's say we ship it over 26 units, not 25, it's 26. And let's say if I move it down a little bit by 2 boxes. Okay, there you go. So you have another figure is 26 unit to the right. Sorry, 26. You ship the figure 26 unit to the left and ship it down 2 units. Okay, all right, that would be it. And then we're gonna fix the point. My recommendation is fix the base. Click on A. Fix an object. Point B, you know it's going to be at -1 because I did ship it over 1 box more than the size of the figure is 25. So I ship over 26. So remember that. Okay, and then we'll repeat the process. You're going to trace all the points. Okay, so I'm going to let you do that. And then when we come back with a reflection. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to do it on my side as well. Alright, smart people, we'll come back. So I just finished to trace the Charmander. I just finished chasing Charmander from quadrant 1 to quadrant 2. Yes. Okay, so now I want you to get your attention on this. You should receive a handout from me. Okay, and on that handout, you are required to keep track of 10 points. So my recommendation for you is select a point that you can keep track of. For example, look at the eyes. It's easy to keep track of the eyes, so I can use this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 3 more points to keep track of the eyes. What is the coordinate of these points? Again, 10 points in total. Pick something that you can remember where it's going to move after translation, reflection, and rotation. The fire will be a good fire right here. The yellow fire inside, that is good to keep track of. Okay, so now you may ask, how do I know the coordinate? So you can read the coordinate, or you can read the point. When you click on the point, you're gonna click setting. Okay, they will tell you the point coordinate up there, like 18, 16. Let me zoom in a little more so you can see it. Okay, when you click on the point in setting part, they will tell you the coordinate 21, 11, 18, 13. Okay, so on and so forth. So keep track of 10 points. Then after that, go over here, click on these points, same thing. So, which mean that you need to write your point in order. If this is point A, then make sure you use this coordinate point to write next to point A for the translation column. Okay, if this point B, so make sure you write this point as B prime in the translation column. This is C, it's going to be C prime here. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. If you don't, please ask me in class. Okay, you need to keep track of 10 points. So now, since we have time, we're going to talk about a reflection. Okay, let me zoom in here. Okay, so this figure had been served for the original image, for the translation. So for reflection, it's gonna be shipped upside down. Okay, so to get out of the theory, some of you say that, oh, I can't just flip the figure upside down. It may not work. Okay, let me prove it to you. Let's say if I copy this image. You know what, I need to hide this point really quick. Not hide the label. Setting, and then show label. Unshow label. Okay, and it's gone. So now I just remember one thing. Please hit save your project, because it's gonna glitch. It's gonna stop working. Save. Okay. So now let's say if we do the reflection. So some of you are gonna say that, oh, I'm gonna do is flip the image upside down. So I already delete the original image. I'm gonna make a copy of my new image right here. 25, 26, 25. Okay. Sorry. Let's do it. Okay. Nope, I need to move it over a little bit more. Okay. Control C. Well, it's supposed to copy. No. Let's try it again. Okay, hopefully this time it's worked. Control C, Control V. So that will give me back the Charmander. Okay, I'm gonna line up at 0, 0. And then I'm gonna move it to 25. That's where I cut it off. Okay, and then make this transparent. Okay, so some of you say that, oh, I can't just flip it. Okay, so you're gonna move it this way. This will work for rotation, but not for reflection. Let me tell you why. So if you do this, you will see your Charmander facing the opposite direction. This is not a reflection. Even if you try to line up, even if you try to line them up the base, line up the base. Two more. Okay. Let's say if you line them up perfectly, I will know it's not a reflection. Because reflection is what? It's the flipping of the figure. Okay. But they should facing the same direction, not opposite direction like this. Okay. So this is your job to find out how to do a reflection. Okay. You can do research to see how people do it. Or you can use the method that I show you in class. Reflection is the reverse. Is the give me 1 second. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay, the reflection across x or y axis will reserve the distance of that point. For example, this point is 1 unit away from the mirror, so you go down 1. This point is 1 unit away from the mirror, you reflect 1 down. So click the point. Oh, I don't know why it didn't make the point for me. Point. Okay, so as you see that I'm experiencing the glitch right now, so I can click refresh the page, reload it. It has happened quite often when you do this project. So make sure you hit save every 5, 10, 15 minutes. And then if that problem happened, you can just refresh the page. Alright, so now this one, reflection. This point 1 unit away from the mirror is reflect down 1. This point 1 unit away, reflect down 1. Okay, and then you can kind of try to trace what happened here. This point is 1 box from your last point, it's go down 1 box. Okay, the next point is 3 boxes, so you go down 3 boxes. Okay, this I can see a bunch of points here, go up. So you kind of trace it upside down now. Okay, that's not easy. Go back 1 point. Okay. So my suggestion is either you do the research or you do find another way to do this in an easy way. For right now, what I see is this. I'm going to connect them. Okay, I see it should be right here, here. Okay, it's maybe not as easy as you did with translation. Okay, it's gonna be black, And I'm going to change this to 70. Okay. And then I would do the next piece. Do you see the T? I would do the T point. See T from here, you go over 1. It's not easy because you have to look thing upside down. Look at thing upside down. Okay. Okay, here's what I'm seeing. It's going to be like this. Okay, one more time. If you struggle with this one, either do research or find another way to make it easier for yourself. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. So you see that the base. And then I see, okay, the next T is like that, so I can do the next T. Let's see this one. Go all the way across. Go down. Like that. Okay, it's require a lot of patience. If you do this, it's require a lot of patience and attention. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video here so you can do your part. I can show you the end products here. Okay, this video right now is 16 minutes. Oop, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, I mean to take out the point. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna get back in a second. Alright class, here's the end products of my reflection. If you zoom in, you see that the figure have the same distance on both sides. And you see the Charmander is upside down facing the same direction as how it's supposed to be at. Okay. The last thing I want to show you is that you can do the label. Okay. You know what? This video is long. I'm gonna show you the label in the next video. That's probably the last one. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.